Welcome back. Alright, today we're going to be looking at how to make a sprite move from left to right, up and down using your arrow keys on your keyboard. The reason why this is important is because sometimes you want to play a game. You might want to create a game where you are controlling some sprite with the arrow keys and some other sprite with some coded means. Alright, so this example will help us. So when I click on this, when the flag is clicked right here, or this is activated. So this sprite will move up if I use the up arrow key, and it will come down if I use the down arrow key, and it will also go left and right if I use the left and arrow key, left and right arrow key. So let's go up, and then you see the sprite moving up. You can see that if I click on the down arrow key, it comes down. You can see that if I click on the right arrow key, it goes right, and then back, it goes backwards. Alright, so this is exactly what we want to build. See you in the next class. Alright, so now that we've created a new file, we're going to start right away. Okay, so we're going to add a new sprite. Instead of using the cat all the time, we're going to use maybe let's take a ballerina. Okay, let's just use her. It's funny, but uh, yeah, you look at her costumes, it tells you that she's actually a true ballerina. Super nice. Okay, so we're going to make her move up, down, right, left. It's simple. So we come to the control, events. When the flag is clicked, we're going to be using that, and then we'll move to control. The reason why we are using forever is because we want it to continue to do anytime we click on these arrow keys. It should remember that we want it to continue the process. So if I click my arrow key and I press it down without releasing it, it keeps moving. But if I don't put this forever, if I click it once, it will just move once. If I just press the down arrow key, it goes once. But once you use forever, it continues to go down, goes left, go right, and the rest. Okay, so the next thing is we want to use motion. So let's start with the up arrow key. So we're going to say, we're going to come to event, I guess. Yes. So if then, we're going to use if then. If then means we want, if something is done, then do something. That's what if then means. Alright, so we're going to come here and say, we're going to say change the y by 10. Why are we using this one? We're using this one, change y by 10, because y is always the vertical axis in mathematics, while the x is the horizontal axis. I'll say it again. The y is for vertical, x is for horizontal. From the left to the right is horizontal, that's x. Up and down is y. I hope that's clear. So we're going to take this and then put it here, and then what we're going to put right here is I'll just show you. Come right to, let's go to looks. It's not here, so we come straight down to control. So we will use this when the key is pressed. We're going to use key up arrow pressed. Take it and then stick it into this box right here. Remember, I hold down, drag it to the right, and then put it inside. That's what I did. So when the up arrow key is pressed, what will happen? Change y by 10. That means positive, so it's going to go up. So if I click on my, see that? So it's going, it's working. So let's continue the process. So for me, I would just teach you the shortcut. Right click on it and then click on duplicate, and then it comes right down, and then you're good. Only thing you need to do is to change this by -10, and then you're good to go. But because the duplicate might not work for some of you, I will just do it the basic level so that everyone be on the same page. So we take this if then again, put it under if then. Don't put it inside the if then. Don't put it inside here. No, put it under, so you can use so it can be separate. This is one block, this is another block. So we'll go to sensing and then say down arrow key, and then go to motion and then say change Y instead of so we say instead of +10, we say -10. We say -10. -10 means opposite of +10. So when we click on it now and then click on our down arrow key, our ballerina comes down. Very easy. But right now our left and right arrow key is not working, so let's do that. So we go to control again and then take the if then, drop it under here, and then come back to sensing and then say if the key, instead of up, we're going to say we want to go right first, so we say right arrow. So instead of using Y this time, go to motion and then pick X, just like we've said. So change X by 10. So change X by 10 means you go right, change so let's do the last one. So we'll come to control, then we'll do this again, sensing if the left arrow is pressed, motion again, change this. So we're going to say take this as -10. So when we click on this, take it up, ballerina is going up, ballerina is coming down, ballerina is going right, ballerina is going left. So all keys are, all arrows are working right now based on the command and the blocks of code we have added. I hope this is fun. I would appreciate you try it, do it, enjoy it, add more things if you want to, add the backdrop if you want to. I'm sure this will be exciting for everyone.